Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Rumble app on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe if you find it's useful. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, on your Play or App Store, head over and then click on the search bar and then click Rumble, type in Rumble. And now from here you'll see Rumble located here. So it's got over 5 million downloads with 160,000 reviews at the time of recording. So go ahead and click on install to download and install it. Once that is done, you're good to use Rumble. If for whatever reason you cannot find the Rumble on your apps or Play Store, I've got a solution. So what I'm going to do is go back to my home screen on my mobile device. I'm going to head over to my notes. And now, so I've got a few options here to get Rumble on your Android or iPhone. So the first option is to use a VPN. So download a VPN app from the Google Play Store or App Store, such as NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or TunnelBear. I'll recommend any one of those three. Connect to a supported country. So open the VPN app, connect to a server that is a country where the Rumble app is available, such as the United States. And what you need to do from there, you need to clear your Google Play Store data. So go to settings on your device, tap apps or application manager, find a tap on the Google Play Store, tap storage, and then clear data. And then step 4, open the Google Play Store, launch the Google Play Store again, which you should now show apps available in the country connected to via that APN you just installed, and then go ahead and download Rumble. That should fix your issue. But there is another way you can download an APK from a trusted source. So find a trusted APK source. So visit a reputable APK download site such as APK Mirror or APK Pure. Download the APK and then search for the Rumble app on the site and download the APK files to your device. Enable unknown source, go to settings on your device, tap security or privacy, enable install unknown apps or allow from this source for the browser you use to download the APK. Install the APK, open the download APK file and follow the prompts to install the Rumble app. Another way here is an advanced way, so you can change your Google account country. So open Google Play Store, launch the Google Play Store on your device, access account settings, tap on your profile picture and go to settings, and then tap on general, account and device preferences, change country. So under the country and profile section, select the country you want to switch to. Note that this option appears only if you're currently in the new country. Add payment method, you might need to add a payment method from the new country, and then download the Rumble. So after changing all that, search for and download Rumble app. And one thing to note, so if you change your Google account country, this can only be done once per year at this point in time. So, and it might affect your payment methods and subscriptions. So using a VPN and downloading the APK are generally the easier and quicker solutions.